Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to save a PDF in WPS Spreadsheet. So let's get started the video. Open WPS Spreadsheet and open the file you want to convert. Click on Menu and from the drop down, choose Export to PDF from the options. Select any options for the pages you want to include in the PDF. Now click Export as PDF. Select the location, name the file, and now click Save. There you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.